Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another shopping haul. So I did pick up a few goodies from both Ulta and Sephora, which I'm excited to show you. And if you do like these types of videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know whether it's a thumbs up or a comment down below if you want to see more of these. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with the Sephora package. So the first thing that I picked up was a new liquid liner from Sephora. This is my all-time favorite liquid liner. It's the easiest for me to apply and it doesn't smudge my liner. If you guys know what I'm talking about, like, you know how sometimes some liners just smudge throughout the day? This one doesn't do that for me, so I picked up a new one. The next thing that I picked up was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, which looks like this. And I absolutely love their hydrating face mask. So you can use this as a hydrating glow mist, or you can use this as a makeup prep and perfecting mist. So mist 2 to 3 times across the face. Okay, I just shook this up, but I'm going to, oh okay. Wow, that's like really refreshing. It smells really good and like it's not like tacky. Yeah, it's not tacky, so yeah. The Drunk Elephant Rise and Glow. So it has a C Firma, which originally I didn't want to buy the full container because that's $80 and I didn't want to buy it or invest in it if I didn't like it or it didn't work for me. So I got the travel size of this, which looks a lot smaller than the picture itself. How do I open this? So I got the B Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum and then the C Firma Day Serum. So this is what I originally wanted to try before I invested into the big bottle of it. But I heard nothing but good things about, well, actually both of them, the B Hydra Intensive Serum and the C Firma. But I have a lot of old acne scars still on my face. So the reviews said they got rid of them. So fingers crossed this works. I really hope so because, I mean, for the price of it, I really hope you get your money's worth. So I got that. Then the next thing for, like, I guess skincare from Sephora, I got the Ordinary Direct Acid. But it comes in this packaging, and this was like less than $5. I believe it was super cheap, and that's like a really good price for the size of the bottle. But this is how it looks like. And this is supposed to be an acne treatment, so it says, using the AM or PM, apply a small dot directly to the spots for visible improvement or apply a small amount all over the face to maintain visible clarity with continued use. So I heard really good reviews on this brand, and I'm at this point just trying everything on my skin because it is just like freaking out. And right now I'm going to try and cut dairy out of my diet and see if that has to do with a lot of the like breakouts on my face. So we'll see. But right now I'm just trying like different products. So yeah. And then the next thing I got was this Bite Beauty. It was a liquid lip, and these, I don't know if they're currently on sale now, but they were when I got it. And I got it in the shade Whip. And I really like their, is it their lip liner? I want to say their lip liner I really liked. But that's how the color looks like, and it's just a really pretty like nude color for me. The last thing I got at Sephora, which was kind of a splurge for me, but I hear nothing but great things about this product, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish or Flawless Finish Powder, and that's how it looks like. I did get the shade 2. So the one downside about Charlotte Tilbury is it's not very diverse. It only had 3 shades. It had light, medium, dark. So I got, the light looked way too light for me, and the medium looks like it will fit me perfectly fine. To Ulta, the first thing is the Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration with their sponges. So I originally wanted this because it came with like 2 mini under eye beauty blenders, and I don't like the super small ones, and these are like a tad bigger than those like mini beauty blenders for under your eyes. So I want to try those out. And the next thing is the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. So I ran out of my scrub, and this was on sale for the spring haul, and I really like the smell of roses, so that's the scent that I got. It smells so good, so I'm really excited to try this one out. And then also from Tree Hut, I picked up a sugar lip scrub. I go through these like crazy. I exfoliate like no other on my lips. They get so dry so fast, especially during like the transitions of seasons, and then the winter is the worst, but you can never go wrong with exfoliating your lips. But this one smells very pepperminty. Pepperminty? Wow, why did I say that so weird? It smells very pepperminty. I keep thinking that sounds wrong. But yeah, that smells really good. So we're gonna try that one out. Then of course I had to pick up some more lashes. So I picked up two of my all-time favorite Kiss Lash Coutures in the style Splendor. These are my all-time favorites. Actually, one of my all-time favorites from them. And then I picked up Teddy from the Triple Push-Up one. And then I picked up another LA Girl lip or gel liner in Very Black. These are so pigmented and they glide on so smoothly. This is a perfect dupe for the 24/7 glide on from Urban Decay. This is your perfect dupe. Like, I swear by it. I probably prefer this one over the Urban Decay, and it's so affordable. It was only like no more than maybe $4, and it lasts a while. So I picked up a new one, and I already took the packaging off this because I already used it, but I got the Chanel Indandre one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's the pink one. It smells so good. This scent is very similar to the Marc Jacob Daisy one in the pink bottle. A little goes a long way with the Chanel one. The last thing that I picked up was the Warrior palette from Juvia, and I've been having an eye on this palette for so long. It just looks so gorgeous. And then for spring haul, they had 40% off the palette, so I got it instead of $20, I got it for $12 because, you know, a girl loves a steal. So if I can open this, that's how the packaging looks like. And then when you open it up, it comes with a plastic container thingy, and then 9 shades in here. And these pans are ginormous. Like, you definitely get your money's worth from this palette. And let's swatch one. Oh, that's pretty. Let's do a matte one. Look at that. Let's see. Woohoo! That gold! Oh my gosh. Like, you guys, I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but wow, that gold is, that shimmer is so pretty. That is so pigmented. Like, I probably wouldn't have to wet my brush for that. Like, wow. I'm really excited to play with this. I mean, I probably have enough bronze colors and neutral colors, but it's always fun to like try different makeups, you know? That's my way of convincing myself that it's okay to buy more eyeshadows, even though like I have a billion of them in my drawer. But, you know, it's all good. It's all good, you know? So that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!